Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out this 1956 Ford Sunliner convertible. Really pretty car. I love the color combination. The blue and white's great. It is,
and this one's in a great price range. I mean, for a convertible, we got this priced at $39,995, and it should hopefully sell instantly. Nice top, and it's got a power top back in 1956.
Yep. And I'll throw a power top, the video of working the power top in this video somewhere as well. But
it works, but it's slow.
Yeah. Yep. It's 70 years old, so it's slow. You might have to help it a little bit, but good car. Underneath the hood, 272 V8.
Yep. And this was rebuilt. We did get, I don't know if it's still in there, but in the glove box when I bought it, there was a kind of receipt of the rebuild on the engine. And how about power steering and power brakes and power top in a 1956
That's
Ford?
Crazy. Yeah. It's got a lot of options that most of them, wouldn't have.
Right. And really a nice paint job. I mean, you got a few little chips around the edges because it's a little older and it's been used just from coming in behind this grill is all. But the engine bay, the firewall looks nice.
Exterior looks awesome.
Yeah, inner fender looks good.
It'll be a quick video because there's really not much to point out as far as like paint imperfections on the exterior. It's got a real nice paint. You gotta just
with this here you go. With this here, guys, you just gotta click that back over.
Yep.
Done. I forgot myself. Look at the bumpers and the grille and the headlights. All that chrome is gorgeous.
That's what I love about these, mid-50s cars, whether it be a Chevy or Ford. Just the styling, the thought that went into building them and the design is awesome. Yeah, and all the chrome and bright work on this one's in good shape too. Like you said, the restoration wasn't done yesterday, but stuff held up really nice.
And they didn't do a half-assed job.
No.
It was done right. The gaps are really good as far as on the hood. Back of the hood looks great on both sides. Wide white walls would be really cool on it, in my personal opinion. But these are the medium-sized ones. They're the inch and a half ones.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they look good. Door lines up good. Got a little chip that's been touched up here on the door edge. You want to do this one?
Sure. They said even this belt chrome really lines up good as it comes down through here into the door. All the way along. A lot of times that's dinged up, guys. And this one's super solid. The white is that off-white, looks really, really nice. The bright blue is fantastic. No bubbles or blisters down here, and it's got fender skirts. I gotta be honest with you guys. When it came in, it had a Continental kit.
Yep.
I couldn't hack it. I hate the Continental kits.
I think a lot of people are with you there. Every time we post one with a Continental kit, they're saying, take that thing off.
So we took that off, right? So all that was a different bumper bracket in there that all went together. We took it off, shortened the exhaust, made the exhaust come back out through the 1956 Ford bumper, and it turned out fantastic. It really did. Again, chrome on the back bumper, chrome around the tail lights is excellent. Matching spare, okay?
Nice. They did a good job when they painted the trunk too.
But Timmy didn't want to took the Continental kit off, put it in as a spare.
Mm-hmm. Good job, Timmy.
Yeah, heck yeah. The blue paint inside the trunk is faded just a little bit. They didn't clear it, but it's awful nice.
Mm-hmm. Nice and
solid. Trunk mat, yeah.
The undercarriage is nice and solid too. You can see those pictures on the site, coyoteclassics.com.
Good, I was wondering on that, D. I know you took that. And the other thing with a Continental kit, the reason I took it off, guys, is because it is a pain in the ass. You get to the gas station, you want to put some gas in it. I mean,
they're not fun to try to move the big tire up to get to the gas door. It really does.
Door handle chrome is nice as well. And now, as we open up that door, so many times when they two-tone them, they do kind of a shitty job in there. They really did a good job here. As we go through here. Corner of the door is good. What happened there, D?
I don't know if our detailer sprayed and forgot to wipe. I don't know.
I don't think so. I don't know. Just kind of like a powder there, isn't it? Yeah, it'll come off. Just a little film. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes.
Yep. Anyway, so the door panel, gorgeous. The white on that's super clean. And the interior, being white and light blue, he did a nice job cleaning that up.
Yeah, he did.
Really cleaned that white nice. Get my shadow out of the way. Carpet looks good. You can tell it's older. you know, the carpet's older along the edges, just got a few stains here and there, but really looks good. And they painted the dash, did a great job there. The steering wheel's nice. Timmy, we spent a lot of time on this. We put those aftermarket gauges brand new in there because it was a 6-volt car. It was changed over to 12-volt, but the gauges weren't. So we went ahead and put all new 12-volt gauges in it. Heater fan works. Fix that horn. I mean, spent a lot of time there.
Yeah, I was impressed with even just like the paint and the quality of the dash itself is real nice.
You know, even though these cars come in and they're nice when they come.
A little scrape that's been touched up there.
Here you go. Yeah, I mean, paint-wise and stuff, we buffed it, but that's about it. But what really needs a lot of work a lot of times when they come in is mechanically. So that's what we spend most of our time and effort on and money. Fender skirt's nice. Quarter panel is awesome. Bottom of the door lines up good. Looks like there might be 2 little tiny dings here in this rocker panel right here. Actually, it's just a couple of tiny little scuffs down there. Tiny little chip right here. It's got the little Thunderbird, which that kind of just basically said it was like the Thunderbird special 4, you know, 4-barrel under the hood. Again, the code comes back as a 272, so that's really all we know about that. As we look here, original paint looks like right here, it's just kind of scuffed off a little on the top of the inner door panel, metal. Again, corner of the door is nice. Doors stay open just like they should. The hinge works good and the lock. It's our factory tag. It'll tell us all the factory codes. Seats are excellent, no rips or tears. Power top is right down here at the bottom. You push it in to go, pull it out to go back up.
So top works just a little bit slow. Switches down there by
Power top button. You actually push in on the top button.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not a speed demon.
Nope, not a speed demon, but it gets the job done.
Let's get a good view of the top out for you.
Plastic back window.
Let's see if it goes down a little faster.
Yeah. See if gravity helps it.
It just needs a little human interaction.
Yeah, it just needs a little help.
It's 70 years old.
Yeah, she's old.
It works. You just
Yeah.
have to help it a little bit.
Perfect.
And how this is exactly how it's getting sold. You know what I mean? As far as what works, what don't.
Horn works.
A lot of work went into that horn. You wouldn't believe it, but I bet maybe 6 hours.
Yep. No, I
You
believe
take
I've
it to
seen
another shop, $700 to get the horn working, but there's just a lot of wiring and a lot of different things you got to do to figure all that out. Gotta get the right key in here. Oh, yeah.
one of those.
There it is, yeah. There we go.
Heater fan works.
It is just to the new buyer. It's the silver key.
Silver key.
So you don't look and struggle like I am. Heater fan works. Okay. There's low, off, high. It works
Which is
on all of them.
Rare on one of these too. Usually all these
Rare.
50s cars.
As far as the temp
Never
goes,
work.
that moves freely as well. Radio's all there. And how nice is that? Huh?
Yeah.
That it's got the chrome bezel around it. The radio's complete.
Wipers work. They're vacuum.
Holy shit, Jimmy fixed them. It barely worked when they weren't working at all. I think he must have took them apart and lubed them all up because it was barely working.
Now they're rolling. Earlier
Now
on,
they go so damn fast. And they park correctly. Nice job, Tim.
Tim did good.
He fixed the gas gauge too. Took that all
Good
apart.
work, Timmy.
Put a new float on the sender. Just that old float was bad, so we replaced the float. So that works. Proud of Tim.
Good job,
What else
Tim.
we got, big guy?
I think
Oil
that's it.
pressure's 25 pounds. Goes up to about 30 in this 272. Temperature gauge will work here. Volt gauge. Reads 13 volts, 12 and a half, 13.
Yep. See how she goes down the road.
We drove it home.
My wife drove it home.
20 what, about 32 miles?
Yep, her and Grandpa. Yep.
She drove her. Well, that says a lot about the car.
It does.
And that's before it got to
That's
us.
before we even did
Touched
anything with it. Yeah.
Right? Yeah, that's awesome. It runs like a top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it does. Starts easy too. Both times when I pulled it out this morning to take pictures, and then after it's been sitting just now for the video, turned the key, it fired right up.
It's a really good car. Like I said, I think it's really priced to sell.
Yeah, I think so too.
Find another convertible for that price. I mean, there's just not many out
No.
there. Not like this.
No.
Speedometer work shows we're doing 40, and you know what? That's probably about what we're doing. Here's our brakes. Really good pedal, no pull left or right. I think Timmy did a little brake work as well.
Timmy did a good job on
Your seat moves just a little bit. Can you move back a little? Yeah, just a little on
Yeah,
your side.
just a skosh.
Feel lucky?
Oversized load coming here.
Trust her.
Yep.
Gotta trust her pulling out in front of the old oversized load semi.
Yep. We did.
Look at how straight that steering is going down the road. Shifts beautifully at 58 mile an hour.
Yep. We got another
No,
big
it's
load up
60.
here.
This thing's awesome.
Yeah, it drives awesome.
And it's
don't it?
quality, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Watch out for
You
this.
nervous about that too?
Yep. I don't know what we got going on today. We got some big rigs on the highway
Here's
today.
the brakes again, high speed. We'll go turn over here once. Here's look at this power steering, man. This car really turned out good, didn't it?
I'm impressed with it. Really impressed. We'll have to go back and.
But when you really like something, you know, it's so easy to sell it.
Yeah.
When something's quality.
Yeah, absolutely.
And
Like,
this for the money is a hell of a car.
it really is. It is. We'll have to go back and tell Timmy good job because he did.
He did
a
an
great on
amazing
this.
job. Beautiful shift. It's like I said, 60 mile an hour. Temperature gauge is just coming up to 150.
Nice car. Yeah. Proud to sell. You'll be proud to own it. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.